Hey guys, welcome to today's Vehicle Visionary tutorial. Today, I'm going to show you how to use Mercedes-Benz Active Park Assist. If your vehicle is so equipped, not every vehicle is, but if it is, this is on a 2021 model of the Mercedes-Benz GLS 450. And so, there's going to be some variations on how this works depending on the year of your vehicle. So here's what we're going to do. I want to show you a couple of things real quick. Let's just go ahead and talk about how this works. The first thing you're going to do is push this button right here. On the screen, this is what you will see. So it's going to search. All you're going to do is just let go of the brake and just drive. Now, if you want to park to the right-hand side, make sure you are somewhat close to those spaces. And you're going to listen for a ding. I've got a space set up. We're going to go right there. Okay, there's our ding. Now, on the screen, you're going to see it wants to park right here. That's the space behind us. And you can go forward or in reverse. I'm going to go in reverse. So we're going to do this right here, push reverse. And then all I've got to do is shift into reverse, let go of the brake, let go of the steering wheel, and everything is going to take care of itself. As you can see, it's already trying to get into the space. I guess it's going to go forward into the space. I was going to reverse into the space. We're going to go forward, so no big deal. As you can see, the sensors will take care of everything. And yes, the first time you do this, it may be a little bit disconcerting, but don't worry. The vehicle will take care of everything. The parking sensors and everything will do what they need to do, and it's really that simple. There we are. We're finished. We're parked. It's going to tell you right here on the screen what to do. It's going to tell me that it's finished. Now, here's what I'm going to do. Of course, the engine shut down because of the fact that I had the auto start stop feature on. Now, I want to leave the parking space. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to push this. Let's see. You got to push that one right there. So it's going to tell me now to go into reverse. And again, let go of the brake. And if there's any cross traffic or anything like that, it's going to stop. It's going to let you know what to do as you need to do it. But as far as this process goes, getting out of the space, you don't have to worry about anything. Even though, there we go, we see that it's getting close to a vehicle in behind us, and it's going to move forward until it gets close to the vehicle in front of us. Then it will go into reverse again. Notice I am not doing anything. My hands are free of the steering wheel, and my feet are free of the brakes. So everything is taking care of itself. And when it's ready for you to take over, it's going to tell you, it says to depress the brake. We're going to shift into drive to continue driving. And it's really that simple. Now, how about parallel parking? Let me show you that. Okay guys, unlike what we did earlier in the video, we're going to parallel park between those two vehicles right there. So I've gone ahead and I've hit the button, and so now the vehicle is searching. And like I said before, you want to get somewhat close to the vehicles, and then it'll let you know. We're going to drive up. Okay, so there we go. We're ready. I'm going to confirm that I want to park. It's going to tell me to put it in reverse gear, and I have let go of the steering wheel, and I'm letting the vehicle completely guide itself into this parallel space. And as you can see, I mean, I am not doing anything. My feet aren't on the pedals, nothing. And it is a little bit of a challenge, I admit, the first couple of times you do this, or maybe just the first time, but the vehicle is just going to use all the sensors and do everything just right. And as you can see, it's not even perfectly straight in the center of the space. So let's just see what happens here. This should be interesting to see how it parks and positions itself. And there we go. We're good. Now that we're sitting where we need to be, I'm going to go out of the space. So we're going to exit the space, put it into reverse, and I don't have to worry about doing anything. Once again, this is just so simple to use. This is really one of the best parking assist features I've found out of any that I've used. I have done this on another vehicle here on my channel before, and you had to control the brakes yourself. But if you just watch what's going on here on the screen, just let the vehicle do its own thing. It's going to tell you what you need to do as you need to do it. And as soon as we get to a certain point here, it's going to tell me to go ahead and take over. Here we go, parking assist finished, and we're ready to go. And it's just that simple, guys. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, let me know. Let me know if you want to see a lot more of these in the future here on my YouTube channel, and I will make that happen for you. I'd like to thank my friends here at Mercedes-Benz of Shreveport for loaning me these vehicles today that I use to do all of this, and all of you for being kind enough to take the time to watch. I look forward to seeing you next time on Vehicle Visionary. Bye-bye.